proximity key, backup cam, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. I love the fact that this vehicle is going to come equipped with all of our safety features like smart cruise, lane departure, lane retention, blind spot warning, just to name a few. But the best part about this vehicle is not all the amazing features or the fancy new look. It is the fact that it is backed by America's best warranty. It's a 5-year, 60,000 new car warranty with a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty that we exclusively double here at Tameron to 20 years and 200,000 miles. Listen, you cannot beat that warranty anywhere, and you're definitely going to love the way you're treated here at Tameron Hyundai and Hoover. So give me a call. My name is Christina. It's 205-314-0301. Let me show you why you'll love the way you're treated here at Tameron Hyundai and Hoover.